All right, so we've got some cases from these fine folks. Now I don't know how you pronounce their name. Mkeke, Mkeke, I don't know. I have no idea. Anyways, they've sent us a bunch of their cases, all for the iPhone 14 Pro, but they do make them for a whole bunch of different iPhones out there. Right now, as you can see, $17. They are 43% off, and you can get a 10% off coupon, which brings them down even less. Now, the bonus of these, now I can't test this, but it may be something we come back to like a year from now, and I do encourage any of you that buy this case to leave comments below after you've had them for a while as well, because it does say military grade protection, which is cool, not yellowing. So a lot of clear cases, when they age, they yellow, and that's kind of the it's kind of what happens with the material that they use. So these guys are probably using something different. So what we're going to do is just kind of take a look at these, the different colors, and $17, right? Non-yellowing. Okay, so before we do that, crystal clear case for iPhone 14, okay? Shows off the color, which is great because you know what? You buy your 14 Pro with a color and you like to be able to show it off. The case for the iPhone 14 Pro has 4 corners with built-in airbag-like finishes. I don't know what that means. And bumper thickness with a raise of 3.9 millimeters. Okay. Was made of clear polycarbonate and flexible materials. Cool. 14 Pro cover case has pronounced buttons. Yep. It doesn't have any magnetic components. It won't lock things in magnetic connection. Okay, so just realize it doesn't have an actual additional MagSafe in it, but they say it is thin enough that it will allow a charge from a MagSafe charger to pass through. So if you do or are looking at a MagSafe, this is not the one for you. And what's in the box? It's a case. It's a case. So let's crack a whole bunch of these open, shall we? So I'm gonna do a bunch of opening, and then you guys don't need to sit here while I open. Voila! There they are. Okay, so I thought, honestly, because I really didn't look at the page, clear, dark black, that's cool. Gradient, clear. They have a bunch of gradients, which is really cool. And you can kind of see them here. Like this is like a gradient black, right? So it goes from black to clear. This is like a gradient green to like a rose, right? There's like a pink to a purple. Green to purple. And last but not least, blue to... Actually, this is probably the one I would like because, you know, you put that on top of your purple iPhone 14 Pro, which is what I have. That would look good. And of course, you have your clear, right? So there's your clear. There's your branding on the side there. Yeah, it's good. It's got a nice flexible, which is nice. Should go on and off your phone. Really, really nice. I love the colors though. Those are pretty slick. You know, am I going the right way? Yeah, those are slick. I like those. Let's angle them right so they're straight. All right, let's put them on my phone, shall we? So I'm gonna take this case off, and I'm going with this. See my phone. My phone's the purple one. Yes, right. It's a purple one. So I'm going with this blue to purple because I think that's the way to go. So you put that on there. Oh yeah, no, that's slick. Hey, you get this blue to purple look going on. Oh yeah, no, that's okay. I'm down with that. And yeah, it's good. You can see all your buttons through there. It does have. It talked about like these airbags, and you can kind of see in the top right where it's got this extra padding right here in the corners, right? And that's usually where you and I will break a screen, is impact on the corners. So you got this additional piece where you can kind of see that it lips up a bit more to give it more impact on all the corners, which is kind of nice. Cutouts are good. Cutouts are good on it. Button responsiveness, fine. You know, volume, good, right? You don't need to read my emails. Volumes are good. Buttons are good. Yeah, it's got a nice click. And what I do like about it, if you're a person like me that actually changes their cases a lot, you know, it does have, like, it's nice and easy to get the case off, which is kind of nice. It's not like super easy, like it's going to fall off, but you know what? It pops off pretty easy. The camera has a decent lip on it, so when you place this down on a table, that lip's going to do its job, I would think. Yeah, that's all right. I like that. Yeah, you know what? There's the colors, right? Depending, outside of this one, for me at least, I do like the black one, for sure, right? That black to clear, which is cool, and I do like just the clear one. But a couple different options for you guys, depending on your needs and your looks and your feelings. And really, if you can get this thing for like $15 US, that's not bad. You can literally just buy a couple of them. All right, guys, that's it. The Mkeke, I don't know. I have no idea. But the key is non-yellowing. So I am going to, maybe, you know, if anybody asks me a question, or if this ever starts to yellow, I'll leave a comment down below. If you guys have one of these cases that says not yellowing, let us know your thoughts, comments down below as well, so we can know, right? It does 671 reviews, 4.5 stars. That's pretty good. All right, guys, links down below if you're interested, and that's it for me today. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you fine folks tomorrow. Later.